go off with Tuesday and do like his, I think his walking, or man things I should call them. I just want to stress that John James is not gay despite what it was said.
While the boys struggle to break from their cosy slumber, Josie heads out to find the centrepiece for her party. It's going to be fancy dress, and the theme is My Big Fat Gypsy Birthday. To help her choose